Botox 2020 out of my face. Let's go, yo. Three things I love about Botox by LaserAway. 1, I hate forehead lines. 2, my makeup looks so much better. And 3, I'm so much more confident. So check it out. We're in the middle of the treatment. I'm here with Arsena. We just did my crow's feet and my frown lines, and now we're about to do my forehead. See how easy this is? So painless and so easy and quick. Just finished my treatment here at LaserAway. As you can see, it was super quick and painless. Only took about 10 minutes, and I'll see full results in 2 weeks. Thanks, LaserAway.
Like that video? Make sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking left. And for more awesome content, click right. To schedule your free consultation for any of our services, click the on-screen link. What are you waiting for?